In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize a template in DocuSign, step by step. Whether you want to replace a document, update recipients, or add new fields for signatures and dates, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can manage envelopes, templates, and other documents. From the top navigation menu, click on Templates. This is where all of your saved templates are stored. Templates are extremely useful because they allow you to reuse documents with predefined roles, recipients, and fields without starting from scratch every time. Next, click on My Templates. This section displays all the templates you've personally created or have access to. Take a moment to locate the template that you want to customize. Once you've found the correct template, select the document and then click on the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. This will open a drop-down list with additional actions you can perform on the template. From that drop-down, click on Edit. This will open the template in editing mode, where you can make changes to the document itself, the recipients, and the fields. If you want to replace the existing document file inside the template, look for the three dots next to the document name within the template editor. Click on those three dots to open the Document Options menu. Then click on Upload to replace the current file with a new version. This is especially useful if you've updated the wording or formatting of the original document and want the template to reflect the latest version. After clicking Upload, choose Desktop or the location where your updated file is stored. Select the file you want to use and wait for it to upload into the template. Once uploaded, DocuSign will automatically process the document so you can continue editing. Next, make sure to fill in or update the recipient information. You'll see recipient roles listed near the top of the screen. Here, you can edit names, email addresses, and roles depending on how your template is structured. If this is a reusable template, you can keep role names generic, like client or manager, so you don't have to recreate the template every time. Once your recipients are properly set, click on Next, Add Fields. This will take you to the document editing screen where you can assign signature fields, date fields, text boxes, checkboxes, and more. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different field types. To customize your template, simply drag and drop the fields you want onto the document. For example, drag a signature field to the area where the signer needs to sign. You can also add date signed fields, initial fields, or text fields depending on your needs. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient. You can switch between recipients at the top of the screen to ensure every required signer has the appropriate fields attached to them. This step is important because if fields are not assigned correctly, recipients may not be able to complete the document properly. After placing and adjusting all your fields, review the document carefully. Double-check the alignment, required settings, and recipient assignments to make sure everything looks correct and functions as expected. Finally, click on Save. This will store all the changes you've made to the template. Your customized template is now ready to use for future envelopes, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your documents. And that's it. You've successfully customized a template in DocuSign. Replaced the document if needed, updated recipients, and added fields. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.